सर्वेश, बेटा सर्वेश, 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 सर्वेश।
अम्मा, pass me the phone please.
अरे बेटा ये क्या? Come out and talk ना.
अम्मा, I'm in the bathroom. I'm not in the condition to come out. Kindly adjust.
Okay, okay.
Who's calling?
It says Big Boss.
अरे अम्मा, please give me the phone ना. Quickly.
Yeah.
अम्मा, thank you. And अम्मा, please try to be silent if you can. No? Good morning, sir.
It's 8:30 a.m. Sarvesh.
Sorry, sir. I was on the bike.
Where are you now?
Customer called, sir. I'm just going to pick up the documents.
At 8:30 a.m.
Salaried customer, sir. Just come to pick up the documents.
Sarvesh, if you're with a customer, why is it so silent?
Sir, this person prefers silence, sir. I think he's very reserved kind.
Sarvesh, at this rate, you should be doing 4 dues today.
Wait, Deepak, you think I'm joking, right? You wait and watch how many DOs I do today. And you come here and check out if you want. Oh, how will you come now? Because for that you'll have to leave the office, then go to the field for once. Very difficult for you, no?
Tell me where I'll come now.
Serpur.
Guys, please. Can I? Huh? Acha, Sarvesh, why is there an echo in your voice?
Echo, sir? Hello? Hello, sir? Hello? It could be the network, sir.
टॉयलेट में होगा और बोल रहा है फील्ड में.
Yeah. Sarvesh, Serpur में कहाँ?
Sir, I'm with Mr. Brijlal.
Okay. And how many DOs do you think you will manage today?
5, sir.
5 confirmed.
5 confirmed, sir. Done.
And how many leads in the pipeline?
4 in the pipeline, sir. हो जाएगा, sir. Trust me.
And you, Deepak?
Sir, I've done 3 dues and 6 more will be done in next 10 days.
ठीक है. Report to me when you're back.
Okay, sir.
वाह बेटा, back to square one. अरे when I was of your age.
Mama, I'm in no mood of a lecture right now. Please go.
Yeah. Mummy to is a fool. You are doing 4 DOs every day. I only gave birth to you.
Good night, Amma.
अरे
हेलो, कौन?
अरे ब्रिजलाल जी नमस्ते.
अरे नमस्ते is fine यार, but if you don't tell me who it is, how will I know who it is?
अरे sir, it's me, Sarvesh.
Sarvesh, bloody fool, you were supposed to come yesterday.
I know, sir. I'm really sorry, but please don't call me names, sir.
Anokhi, Lalita, Kamla, Beer, they are hungry. I want only high quality, top quality TMR feed this time. और आज भूसा नहीं लाए तो कल घूसा खाओगे, समझ गए?
भूसा? Sir, it's me, Sarvesh from Mahindra Finance, sir.
अरे भैया, Sarvesh from Mahindra Finance. Your name is Sarvesh too. What a coincidence, भैया. What a coincidence.
Sir, when can I come to pick up my documents?
अरे भैया, you were supposed to come yesterday.
I know Brijlal ji. I'm really sorry.
भैया जरा होल्ड ऑन करना. हाँ, 1 मिनट.
Actually, my mother has high fever, sir, and I am the only child, so.
Oh ho, give my pranam to your Mataji. अरे भैया, my daughter got married recently. So happy she is. Boy is MBA. Now I am going to Himalay Parbat for yatra.
No problem, sir. Can I collect it from your wife?
Hey भैया, how can शिवजी go to Himalay Parbat without his Parvati? हैं? ए कैसी बात कर रहा है भैया? हाँ सुनो, I don't trust anyone else in this village. And who should I leave it with? Anokhi? हैं? सुनो, you do one thing. You come 1 month later. Confirm pickup. हैं?
Sir, I'll collect it from Anokhi.
ए भैया, अनोखी इज माई काऊ, होली काऊ, समझा? अरे हम कहाँ भाग के जा रहे हैं, ले लो अगले महीने.
Sir, please documents दे दो ना. I'll process your loan immediately, sir.
अरे रे भैया, yesterday was मंगलवार, शुभ मुहूर्त, auspicious मुहूर्त. Next 1 month, no मुहूर्त, so no vehicle, please.
Sir.
Okay, I am keeping phone downwards now.
Okay, thank you anyway, sir. Have a good day. Sorry, sir. I know, sir. I know. But I'm telling you, DO will be issued today. Yeah, sir. You can release it today, sir. Okay. Thank you. प्रवीण जी, क्या प्रवीण जी? आपकी पहली इंस्टॉलमेंट ही डिफॉल्ट. जी, थैंक यू. हेलो, Sibyl, sir. Sibyl. Sir, but we have done loans on 490 before. Why can't we do it now? So if you can consider, please. Thank you. Market share report. Yes, sir. Very big share, sir. 50 plus, sir. Data देता हूँ ना सर. डेटा. हाँ सर. थैंक यू. ओके. हेलो
सर्वेश, या come to my cabin please.
सर, आता हूँ.
Come. हाँ भाई सर्वेश, how many DOs today?
2 to 4, sir. Confirm. Done, sir.
2 or 4, सर्वेश.
2, sir.
Have you got Mr. Brijlal's documents?
No, sir. Unfortunately, his mother has been hospitalized. It looks positive, sir. I think I've given him a call. 3-4 days we should have the documents submitted.
ठीक है.
हो जाएगा, sir.
हाँ हो तो जाएगा. Let's see. Leads?
4, sir.
6.
2, sir.
So guys, DOs?
Sir, 20.
20. That's it. Carry on. So what to do? No, I know you gave me this responsibility, sir, but honestly, it is beyond my control. No, I know, sir, but DWM. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I know about DWM. I mean, I've heard of it. No, I've seen the mailers and the boards, but sir, honestly, I don't know anything about it. कहाँ time मिलता है, sir? No, sir, you know, you hardly get any time. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll take that advice. Okay. Sure, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, sir. Good day. Bye.
sir, it's all good.
Yeah, sir. Results are fine, and we getting the deals. सब ठीक चल रहा है sir.
Theek. Theek is not good enough, Sarvesh. I want the best. Do you know what it means when the circle manager, Mr. Satish, comes for a surprise survey? It means we are falling behind and our output is very poor. There's a lot of misunderstanding and miscommunication between employees, agents, dealers, managers. Also, we give verbal commitments without tracking them. Guys, somehow in this ad hoc approach, we are losing out completely. Which is why it's important to build a formal system.
But sir, I don't understand. Why are you adding these new fundas? I mean, already there's heavy load, increasing our burden.
No, Deepak, you're not getting it. DWM is not a new funda. It's just a framework around what you're already doing. Now, I know you feel that this system will restrict you. But what I'm telling you is that this is going to give you freedom within a framework. I'm positive that DWM is going to help us solve a lot of problems. I know initially there will be some difficulty to adjust to the changes, but once we have a system, guys, I know we'll be more efficient.
Sir, ये सब तो ठीक है, but I still don't know how it will affect our day-to-day activities. I mean, if you can give an example. I don't know, sir. Feel नहीं आ रही है.
Feel. That is the problem. This business is run more on feel and less on data. Guys, DWM can help us run this business on data. You want an example, Sarvesh? I'll give you one. Him.
So me.
Yes, you. Guys, Sarvesh is the best firefighter we have. I mean, he should have been in the fire brigade. I don't know what he's doing here. Am I right?
But sir, we don't have enough space. We don't have enough space to keep our generator. It's more of noise generator than power generator.
I understand there are problems and you will have to adjust. But I'm sure the system will help us. You guys are professionals. I personally don't like being like a school teacher who has to sit on your heads and ask you if your homework is done. I don't like it. Okay? We are going to implement this system, so please be mentally prepared for it. We'll apply the system from next month.
Next month, sir?
Yes, next month. You see, Sarvesh, only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked.
Right, sir. God, it's already the 20th. 10 more days to go. How am I going to do this? And to top it all, there is DWM, which is going to further complicate my life. Everyone is going to get to know about my performance. Man, I hate it when Deepak and Manoj make fun of me. What do I do?
Sir? Sir, how is he?
No tension, he has hypertension and low blood sugar. Doctor has advised him rest for a month. So Deepak, you will have to take over his work.
But sir...
No ifs, no buts. Please just do it, Deepak.
Of course I will do. But I was thinking if this is happening to him before DWM, I wonder what will happen to him after.
No, Deepak, I'm really confident this is going to do us good. And nothing else. It's going to do us good. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thanks.
Manoj, here you will have to help with collections. Huh? These are some questions. And Anil, these are some numbers. Please call them and follow up. Huh?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in? Sir, this is too disorganized. I can't understand what has he written. I feel like a code breaker. See.
Okay. I'll talk to all of you all. Let him get back.
Okay.
सुन ही नहीं रहा। अरे एक मिनट भैया, फोन है किसी का। हेलो, कौन?
Hello, sir. This is Anil here.
अरे अनिल बेटा, कांग्रेचुलेशन, अनोखी इज प्रेग्नेंट।
Anokhi. Congratulations, sir.
बेटा ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू।
All because of me, sir.
अरे भैया, बिकॉज ऑफ योर मेडिकल नॉलेज, तुम्हारे पशु विज्ञान के कारण हुआ ये सब।
Sir, I am Anil from Mahindra Finance.
अरे ये तो बड़ा अद्भुत है। योर नेम इज अनिल टू है। बेटा व्हाट ए कोइंसिडेंस।
Sir, when should I come to collect your documents?
बेटा व्हाट ए टाइमिंग यू हैव। आई हैव जस्ट रिटर्न फ्रॉम हिमालय पर्वत। यू कम एनी टाइम।
Okay, sir. I am coming right away. Thank you, sir.
बेटे इसमें थैंक यू की क्या बात है? आई विल गिव दिस व्हीकल टू माय डॉटर, शी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी।
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay guys, the time is now. But before that, Sarvesh, how are you feeling?
Much better, sir. Thank you. Good. Sir, if you can finally solve the DWM mystery. India wants to know, sir.
Better late than never. So let's dive right in. So guys, what does DWM actually mean? DWM is nothing but those activities that we do on a regular basis, daily, weekly, monthly, fortnightly, to achieve our goals. Our goals being collections, dealer visits, PDD updating, etc.
Sir, but I do my activities every day. How is it different?
Okay. Is everybody in the same role doing these activities in the same way to achieve results? No, right? So whose methods are better? Sarvesh, are your methods better? Or Deepak, are your methods better? Right? So you both end up working on the same goal in different directions, and you are surprised that your results are so different. Now we must understand why it is important for each one of us to be following the same process. We all have the same goal. Right?
Right, sir.
We all want to build our business numbers, yes or no? Yes? Now to achieve this common goal, we should be all following the same process, yes or no? Yeah? Now to achieve the same results, we need to know the best, the fastest and the correct methods so that we don't waste time in activities that are not giving us any results, yes or no?
Right, sir.
So now the real question is, do we know the best, fastest and the correct methods? Do we know? No, we don't. No. Yeah? So good. Let's start with this realization. So now let me explain DWM, and in the first step in DWM is to standardize. Now what must we keep in mind when we discuss this first step? Okay, I'll tell you. Anyone who joins new or is in an existing role should clearly know their roles and responsibilities. Each person should know the process to be followed, and these processes should also be documented. Now everyone in the team should have a clear, defined performance measure. Now performance measures are referred to as managing points, KRAs and objectives. Now to identify whether these activities get the desired results, we need to understand the input required. Each performance measure should have a clear input known as a checking point. Now, checking points are nothing but activities that we do to achieve the performance measure. Now, for example, if Sarvesh has to do 20 business numbers a month, his checking points will be how many leads are generated dealer-wise, how many leads generated from existing customers, how many leads generated via direct marketing activities, how many weekly dealer meetings attended. Correct? Clear? So now, are you able to get a clear understanding on the same now? So hope you guys have understood this first step. Understood?
Yeah. I think so.
So after we have standardized, obviously the next step is to do. Yeah? And in this step, we need to ensure that everyone executes the activities that have been defined to them. See, most of us, most of the time we see that there is a firefighting situation. Sarvesh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And so activities don't get the desired results. So we should plan our activities and prioritize them. Now, for example, Sarvesh, do you know about all the schemes of MMFSL? Do you know which latest model is being launched in the market, and are we funding that vehicle? No, you don't. So in that case, you should immediately be trained on all the schemes and processes related to your role to achieve the desired results. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the job to the best of your ability. Now, after we are trained, we execute our activities as per processes, and most importantly, we start recording our performance against our performance measure on a daily basis. Not once a month, not once in 3 months, but on a daily basis. Now, most of the things that we do must be aligned closely to our performance measure. Understood? So now, are we clear about standardizing and the do step? Clear? Good. So now it is time for us to check on our performance. I repeat, check on our performance. This is a very important exercise. You know why? This will help us identify how we are progressing on a daily basis. Now, how do we do this? So point number 1, we should measure what we are doing every day. We should not just measure end TAT, but also measure the intermediate TAT. Now, I'm sure you're asking that how does monitoring intermediate TAT help, right? So let me explain. When you identify there is a challenge and we are not getting the desired results, check the data and ask why. So guys, let's take an example and understand why there is a delay in lead conversion. Okay. So now there's a scenario, executive and the boss. Okay. Executive says, sir, dealer didn't give the required detail on time. Boss says, why didn't the dealer share the details on time? Executive says, sir, I missed sharing the status update to dealer. Boss says, oh, okay. Now do you understand why there was a delay and what was the actual problem? Right? So now once you start recording and monitoring actual versus target, somewhere where everyone can see this information. For example, it can either be done on a whiteboard, Excel dashboard, system generated dashboard, right? This is a lead generation dashboard which captures the leads generated on a daily basis by executives in a branch. This is a lead conversion board which shows how many of the leads are converted on a daily basis. Guys, similarly, we can build actual versus target boards for collections, DO TAT, rejections, etc., which will be reviewed on a daily basis. Now, using this information, we can check our progress and identify the gap that exists in our performance and build action plans with defined timelines of implementation, right? So as you can see, since we have identified the gap that we encounter, now we can act to improve. So the last step is simple. We implement the solutions identified and look for the improvement in results in this step. So how do we do this? We verify effectiveness of action taken, and if our actions taken lead to desired or better results, it should be regularized. Now, to regularize an activity, we should document these steps to build a process and communicate this process to everyone so that everyone else can benefit from this change, right? So now, let's take a look at the summary synopsis of SDCA model. So guys, are we ready to rise?
Let's do it.
Good.
Hi friends, you must be hearing this word daily work management time and again. But let me tell you, don't unnecessarily get confused and nervous about it. It's a very, very simple terminology which tells us what we should be doing daily. Nothing more than that. All of us come to work in the morning. We have certain tasks cut out for us and we need to achieve them during the day. We plan for the year. We sometimes plan for more than 1 year. This company needs to grow to its next level. You are extremely important in success of this company. When I say you are extremely important, what you do is extremely important. And therefore, you've been told very clearly what's your role, what's your responsibility, what's the frequency with which you need to do, how do you measure them, how do you understand what you have done is gone right, and if something is not gone the way, how do you course correct, how do you communicate about it. This is work management. Why are you so nervous about it? Just ask a question. रोज का काम रोज करना है. And if you do that, this company will be at a very different scale, at a very different level. Even for me, I have to do my daily work. I have to do it daily. Go back home. Just imagine your wife, your mother was not doing her daily work. You wouldn't get your breakfast. You won't get your lunch. You won't get your dinner. Just look at it that simple. When we come to work, we know what to do, how to do, at what frequency to do, who all will be doing it. When it's not gone the way you want, how will you correct it? Just remember these few steps. I am reasonably sure you will get hugely excited by the results that you get once you start practicing it. Once you start practicing it, you'll know, is there many more ways of doing it? Of course there are. That's what you will learn. Some of the branches which have done it have got phenomenal results, and therefore I personally urge you that you please look at this instrument, look at this practice, look at this process, follow them, and you will get phenomenal results, is my belief. Try it, you will love it. All the very, very best to you.
DWM is very important element in which the organization has to move forward with these small improvements. We have a quality portal in which we have mentioned about the DWM. I would urge you, all of you, to go through this quality portal, and if you have any query, you can come back to us, and I wish you all the best in this DWM journey.